It's not a full buffet. There's no bacon or eggs. It's more of like an appetizer buffet.
How's it going?
Good. Tell us where we are, Bill.
We're at Ale and Compass at Disney's Yacht Club Resort.
The Yacht Club, like your shirt says.
Yep, just like the shirt says. And I didn't plan it this way.
No, we didn't. We got up and decided we were going to have a breakfast, Margie. And they had plenty of available times. So we jumped all over it. We did the buffet with the entree.
Explain the buffet.
So
how it works.
There's you get the buffet, your drinks, and an entree for $23. So the entrees range anywhere from like $14 to $19. So it's very little extra for the buffet. It's not a full buffet. There's no bacon or eggs. It's more of like an appetizer buffet. As you can see, some sausage gravy with biscuits, meats and cheeses. We got a cinnamon bun, a Danish, some yogurt and granola, and some fresh fruit. You did basically the same thing. You got fruit, yogurt, meats and cheeses, little parfait, yeah. And you also get your drinks too. So you're really making out well with this. So far, what do you think of what you've had? Good. And what'd you order for your entree?
I went with the country ham and cheese omelet.
Sounds pretty good. I did the shrimp and grits, so I'm excited to see that. So we'll let you know when that comes out. You can kind of check it all out here. So I got the small portion of shrimp and grits. And this is stupid, isn't it? It's like 3 inches of grits.
What's on top? Is that like an egg or something?
2 poached eggs. There's a chorizo and tomato like gravy on it. 5 shrimp. Like, look at this thing. It's dumb. I don't know. I might be able to eat a third of this. It's so big.
So you're saying this is coming home with me?
It looks like it might be. I don't know if you're gonna leave it in the car all day. It's okay by you?
Yeah.
I mean, the grits are fantastic. Good cheddar flavor. Nice and creamy, sharp cheese. I mean, the egg. I love poached eggs.
You do like poached eggs, huh?
Yeah.
Is there a certain way that they're good or bad? Like if they're over and undercooked, is that how you mess them up? Or
I wouldn't really know. Yeah, the yolk has to be very runny. That's the only thing. The tomato, it's like a roasted tomato gravy with chorizo. It's fantastic. It's really good.
So we've got the country ham and omelet. It's a little open-faced omelet, some white toast, and fruit. Season this up just a little bit. So what is this, arugula?
You're doing it upside down there, Billy? Oh, no, you're not. Yeah, that looks like arugula.
Just a little salt.
Just a little bit. So ham and cheese omelet, open face basically, right?
Yep.
All right, let's see what we got.
It looks like it's cooked perfectly.
It's like little chunks, like cubes of ham? Okay,
Cubes.
that's a good way to do it.
Cooked in here. You got any of that?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I got it. Mm-hmm. Really good. Mm-hmm. A little bit of fruit. Toast looks good too.
Mm-hmm.
You happy with your choice?
Good temperature.
Yeah.
Very good.
Didn't need much salt, seasoned well?
No. Yep.
That's good.
Nice and flaky. Very good.
Perfect.